This app changed my life. Using the software, I'm able to speak my papers to my phone without typing. It's understood everything I've said. The accuracy is outstanding and it's very easy to use. Accuracy is amazingly good and transcription is very fast. I'm finding Dragon to be a much faster, more efficient way to spit out email messages, notes, text messages, and Twitter updates. It's really, really cool. What is this amazing app, you ask? It's called Dragon Dictation from Nuance. Before we talk about the app itself, let's go over the type of program it is. Dragon Dictation is a speech-to-text application. It takes one's spoken word and translates them into text. Users are also able to use continuous speech, which is when you dictate text with pauses in between sentences. What is Dragon Dictation? It's an easy-to-use voice recognition application. It allows you to easily speak and instantly see your text or email messages. It's 5 times faster than typing on a keyboard. You can dictate social media apps such as Facebook, Twitter, or send notes and reminders to yourself by using your voice. You can make short messages or even longer emails. It also has editing features that provide a list of suggested words. The Dragon Dictation app requires network connectivity, so you cannot use it unless you're connected to Wi-Fi or a 3G network. It also is able to run on the second or third generation iPod Touches, the iPads, and iPhones that have iOS 4 or later. It also supports multiple languages that include English, German, Polish, Chinese, Slavic, Spanish, and more. One of the best parts about this app is that it's completely free for users to download on their Apple products. But wait, there's more! In addition to the Dragon Dictation app, individuals can purchase Dragon Naturally Speaking, which runs on PCs and Macs. Different versions include Dragon 13 Home for $69.99, Dragon 13 Premium for $149.99, and Dragon for Mac V5, which is $175. These programs have mostly the same features as the Dragon Dictation app. The main difference between the two are the type of device being used. For more information, you can visit shop.nuance.com/store. Now we're going to see how Dragon Dictation looks and works on an iPhone and an iPad. As you can see on both devices, the home page looks a little different. On the iPhone, the record button is in the middle of the screen, and on the iPad, the record button is at the top. In order to begin, the user must press this and then they can start talking. For each device, I recorded 2 different notes. First, let's look at the iPhone. When I pressed the record button, I said, quote, "Why worry, ? If you've done the very best you can, worrying won't make it any better, period, quote, Walt Disney." And the quote appeared. On the iPad, I hit record and said, quote, "There is more treasure and books than all the pirates loot on Treasure Island, period, quote, Walt Disney. New line, quote, all you need is faith, trust, and pixie dust, period, quote, Peter Pan. New line, quote, open different doors. You may find a you there that you never knew was yours, period, anything can happen, period, quote, Bert and Mary Poppins. New line, quote, you are never too old to be young, period, quote, Snow White. Each time I recorded a note, Dragon Dictation typed it out perfectly. As you can see, after a note is recorded, a keyboard can be brought up if Dragon Dictation made a mistake. Sometimes it may not have understood the word you were trying to say, or you need to add punctuation. I found as I was recording there was nothing that needed to be changed, but the keyboard is there just in case. Not only does Dragon Dictation understand English, but it also supports a variety of languages. As an example, I recorded 2 quotes on the iPad. Remember, this works the same on the iPhone. I pressed record and said, quote, No dejes para mañana lo que puedas hacer hoy. Period. Quote. New line, new line. Quote. Si vale la pena hacerlo, vale la pena hacerlo bien. Quote. And Dragon Dictation typed exactly what I said with no mistakes, accents, tildes, and all. For those of you who do not speak or understand Spanish, the quotes read, "Don't wait for tomorrow to do something you can do today," and "If it's worth doing well." Once you are done recording your message or paper, you can choose where to send it. Dragon Dictation allows you to send messages to Facebook and Twitter, as well as send emails, whether to yourself or another individual. Also, as you can see in the middle picture, a tips box will appear in the iPad version of Dragon Dictation. This shows the user all the different commands that can be used when recording. However, I did not find this option on the iPhone version, but I did find this very helpful when learning how to add punctuation and other things like creating new lines and using caps as I was recording. Now that we've covered what Dragon Dictation is and how to use it, let's talk about how it can be used within a classroom. Speech-to-text applications, such as this one, benefit students who are unable to manipulate writing tools and who require an alternate system. Students who have difficulty with writing mechanics, like spelling or grammar. Students who have difficulty with the writing process, like getting their ideas written down. Students who have limited English, or have vision impairments, or have learning disabilities, which can include dyslexia. When utilized, Dragon Dictation can encourage writing that is more thoughtful. It can also help reduce student stress and anxiety about writing and increase student independence. Overall, this is a great tool that can be used in and out of the classroom. It should definitely be considered when deciding if a student needs extra support when writing. Thanks for watching!